Welcome to My English Pages. Task-Based Language Teaching. Task-Based Language Teaching, or TBLT, is an innovative approach to language instruction that focuses on using authentic target language to complete meaningful tasks. This method, also known as task-based instruction, is considered a branch of communicative language teaching. At its core, TBLT emphasizes the importance of tasks in language learning. Unlike traditional methods, TBLT assesses learning primarily based on task outcomes rather than solely on accurate language use. This approach is believed to effectively improve target language fluency and boost student confidence. The theoretical foundations of TBLT are rooted in specific views of language and learning. TBLT considers language primarily as a means of making meaning, with a focus on the outcome of tasks. It incorporates multiple models of language, including structural, functional, and interactional. TBLT also emphasizes the importance of lexical units, including not just individual words, but phrases, sentence frames, and collocations. In terms of learning theory, TBLT posits that tasks provide both input and output processing necessary for language acquisition. It argues that task activity and achievement are inherently motivational, appealing to various learning styles and often involving physical activity, collaboration, and partnership. But what exactly constitutes a task in TBLT? According to Prabhu, a task is an activity that requires learners to achieve an outcome from given information through a process of thought, allowing teachers to control and regulate that process. Examples of tasks include preparing a meal, ordering food in a restaurant, making a doctor's appointment by phone, solving a problem, or designing a brochure. Tasks in TBLT must meet 4 key criteria as defined by Rod Ellis. First, meaning must be central, requiring learners to produce and understand communicative messages. Second, tasks should involve gaps, whether information gaps, opinion gaps, or reasoning gaps. Third, learners must use their own linguistic and non-linguistic resources to complete the task. Finally, tasks must have a non-linguistic outcome, such as drawing a route on a map or agreeing on a plan to solve a problem. A typical TBLT lesson follows a 3-stage procedure. The pre-task stage introduces the topic through activities like brainstorming, games, or vocabulary exercises. In the task activity cycle, learners perform the task using their own resources, while the teacher monitors and supports. The post-task stage allows learners to compare their output with that of native or fluent speakers and provides an opportunity for focused language work. TBLT offers several advantages. It promotes implicit learning, allowing learners to develop language knowledge naturally through task completion. It also facilitates incidental learning, mirroring how much of our everyday learning occurs. Furthermore, TBLT enables meaningful communication during task accomplishment. However, TBLT is not without its challenges. Some critics argue that it focuses too heavily on fluency at the expense of accuracy. It demands high levels of creativity and initiative from teachers and often requires resources beyond standard textbooks. Additionally, evaluating task-based instruction can be difficult due to its subjective nature. Task-based language teaching represents a significant shift in language instruction, emphasizing authentic communication and meaningful tasks. To sum up, TBLT aims to develop students' language skills in a more natural and engaging way by focusing on real-world language use and learner-centered activities. While it presents certain challenges, its potential for fostering fluency and confidence makes it a valuable approach in the field of language education. Thanks for watching.